What I wish I knew, space is never truly silent. NASA just found out why. Astronaut Butch Wilmore, chilling at the International Space Station, reported a bizarre noise from the docked Starliner spacecraft. Described as a pulsing sonar ping, this noise had everyone scratching their heads, from the ISS to NASA's mission control. Initially, the source of the eerie sound was a mystery that sparked concern, but fear not. NASA's top minds quickly jumped into action. After a thorough investigation, the culprit was revealed. Speaker feedback? It turns out the complex audio system connecting the ISS and Starliner was playing tricks. NASA confirmed that these hiccups are par for the course when dealing with such advanced tech. The good news? The issue resolved itself without any impact on Starliner's mission or the crew's safety. Just another day in space, where even the silence has a story to tell. Stay curious, space enthusiasts. Who knows what other mysteries are waiting out there in the cosmos?